Alright guys, this is going to be my full step-by-step workflow on how I create ads that look just like this. Now if you want to learn how to make ads just like this and you want your business to stand out and you want to gain real clients, give people real value, watch this video all the way to the end and I'm going to break it all down for you. So let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up Higgsfield. If you don't know what Higgsfield is by now, you must be living under a rock. It's pretty much the most #1 AI platform in the world right now. Open up Higgsfield. Alright, so once we got Marketing Studio opened up, we want to make sure that we have it selected on hypermotion, because the ad that we're creating today is going to be a hypermotion product ad. It's not going to be a UGC ad. It's not going to be, any other type of ad. It's going to be a hypermotion ad, just like you see in the preview. So what we're going to do as well, we're going to have to open up a product right here. So as you can see, it's asking for the URL. In this case, we're going to be using Amazon because this is going to be a completely for demonstration purposes. As you can see here, the ad I'm going to be creating today is for this Oral-B electric toothbrush. So as you can see, all the details are here about this item, blah, 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 practical, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to copy and paste the URL. Once we got the URL, we're going to go back into Higgsfield, paste it here. Click enter. Now what's happening here is Higgsfield is now taking all the information of the product from the Amazon link that we just copied, and it's gathering all the data and then pulling it all together. So as you can see here, it now knows exactly what products we're trying to promote. It knows what we're trying to advertise. Look, Oral-B IO series, number 10 electric toothbrush. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it. Click here. Now once we got that selected, as you can see, the product's now in the prompt box. It knows what product we're going to advertise. It already has all the information about the product because it's already gained it from Amazon. Just before we press enter, we want to go into the settings. So as you can see, we want to keep the aspect ratio 9:16, because if you want to create, like a TikTok video, like Instagram Reel, Instagram Shorts, the aspect ratio is meant to be 9:16. So that's what we're going to be doing for this example. Quality, I'll keep it on 720p because that's all I need right now. And the duration, I'm going to have it as 15 seconds long because I don't want it to be too short, because if it's too short, yeah, you still can make a great ad, but we want people watching longer, and the longer watch time, the more watch time you have on these social platforms, the more you get pushed out in the algorithm. That's just how it works. So yeah, 15 seconds. Then we're going to hit generate. And there you have it, just like that. Now you got a 15-second hypermotion AI ad that you can now use to promote to other business and promote for your own business. The options are endless. Creating an ad like this 10-15 years ago would have costed you tens of thousands of dollars. Not only that, but creating an ad like this back in the day, you would have had to hire an expert who's actually good at like Photoshop and all these other technical tools to be able to even produce something like this. You can do this all at home now from your laptop using AI and the internet connection. No studio, no film crew, no massive budgets, just AI, an internet connection and a laptop. So there you have it guys. Now I know how to make a full hypermotion 3D ad for your business. If you're interested in getting one-on-one coaching and you want to take your ad game to the next level and you want to learn a bit more advanced, please feel free to drop me a DM, comment tutorial below in the comments. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.